subscribe kabo ye channel ko notification ang human so nag bell icon ko click kabo. Exercise 13b, surface areas and volumes, question number 5. The radii of internal and external surfaces of a hollow spherical shell are 3 cm and 5 cm respectively. You know that kesa hollow spherical shell dunga aiko salataha digimna internal radius ko naha 3 cm digimna external radius te 5 cm ne ya ninga gapa shell ni radius te 3 cm digimna outer shell ni radius te 5 cm. It is melted and recast into a solid cylinder of diameter 14 cm. Tawde ye spherical shell ko rama kana drone atana ne drone atemna jamode mai tharis kana cylinder tharis kana ne diguna cylinder tharis jamode mai kana inogania. It is melted and recast into a solid cylinder of diameter 14 cm ne. Tawde ya bostu ko drone atemna cylinder thareni jamanode ini diameter beta mana 14 cm ne. Diameter kon so 14 cm diguna ya 14 ko half ka jogode beta 14 divided by 2 de 7 ne. Manade ini radius te 7 cm. Diameter kon so diameter ni kon radius bukoda manage niko ya 14 ko half ka jogode 7 umno kore radius radius of cylinder. Find the height of the cylinder. Manade ya height of cylinder h ya baita ko calculate kanak tanangin. De marikem na height of cylinder ko calculate kagina height of cylinder ko amna gita de skang ba ya spherical shell ni volume aro cylinder ni volume gigini ko equal kana nangen. Maini gimana ya option bostu kon draw atemna ya spherical shell ko draw atemna cylinder tharis kaha niba volume de option oi do agene ini giman volume of spherical shell will be equal to the volume of cylinder. Okay, ini mana again volume of hollow spherical shell is equal to volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder, and this implies that the left side today spherical shell ni volume of spherical shell ni formula ko jakhana ngano. Tawde volume of spherical shell de one volume of sphere ni formula no option takaya indiba makana volume of sphere de 4/3 pi r cube indiba volume of spherical shell de r cube ni biapo capital R cube minus small r cube ungen mainai inode outer radius dunga aro inner radius dunga ini volume of spherical shell khara mekesia 4/3 pi into capital R cube minus small r cube. Yes ane volume of spherical shell ni formula de ini mana again 4/3 pi into capital R cube ko sejawa and divide direct one capital R ni value ko again 5 ne 5 cube minus small r cube more and 3 cube 3 cube. So this is equal to the volume of cylinder. Ini formula de volume of cylinder ni formula make it pi r square h. Pi r square mane de radius of cylinder ko nanganok ne. Volume of cylinder de pi r square h. Tadi ya r beta r ko machine agri ya 14 ko na half kana nangin ya 14 ko half ka amare 7 umya ini 7 square on square no into h ko de machija. Tadi ya left side to rungo pi right side to rungo pi cancel. And this implies 4 by 3 7 squared beta 49 49 को खामचे रबो इनिमन into 49 ये beta मुनो into 5 cubed 125 minus 3 cubed 27. So this is equal to x and rule and this implies yako each box left side to yako right side to then 4 into beta uno 15 minus 7 or 8 11 minus 2 9 divided by 3 into 49. Then 49 day 98 today 2 times, so this is equal to 4 2s are 8 divided by 3. Tadi ya 8 ko 3 chi divide kau beta magana 2.67 centimeter. Yes, height of cylinder yeah again. Therefore, the height of cylinder is 2.67 centimeter. Number 6. How many balls, each of radius 1 centimeter, can be made from a solid sphere of lead of radius 8 centimeters? You know the paiterong robo langko thaina mangena jian robo longprakan radius 1 centimeter onggo bafane robo longprakan radius 1 centimeter onggo bafo paiterong thaina gda mangen mayoni ko tharigena solid sphere of lead of radius 8 centimeter. So the 8 centimeter onggo pa solid sphere ne lead ni ko tharigipa solid sphere jeni radius 8 centimeter onga. So the Nico, Yanunico, solid sphere Nico, Pectabarong, Robol, radius 1 centimeter on the Pectabarong Robol, so Pectabarong Tainam again, Nico, American again. In even Nakana, you know, there number of balls come down, number of balls. So, you know, sphere you need one. Yes, any radius there 8 centimeter. Arrow sphere ki sagbani radius de 1 centimeter. Tari ya bostu niko paitabarong ya bostu ko tharige. Ini mana again number of balls is equal to volume of lead solid sphere, volume of lead solid sphere divided by volume of one ball, volume of one ball. माने दे ball के ऐसा नहीं volume ची या volume of lead solid sphere इको divide करना रहेंगे. You know sir number of balls को माशिए. So this is equal to the volume of lead solid sphere. माने sphere नि formula को सकल बो 4 by 3 pi r cube. Again दिवा r दे बेटा ने इनो दे 8 ने इनो मन 8 cube divided by the volume of one ball. You know दे 4 by 3 इनो बन option volume of sphere नि formula को सकल बो 4 by 3 pi r cube. ने radius of one ball, radius of ball, right? 1 centimeter, ini radius 1, dimna cube. So the 4 by 3 cancel, pi cancel. So this is equal to 8 cube to beta 512 divided by 1 cube to 1. So this is equal to 512. Yes, sir. Number of balls.